Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I am going to give you messages from this deck, which is the Archangel deck. And this deck I already shuffled because I didn't want to waste any time. So the first card that I got is Five of Ariel. The second card is Knight of Gabriel. And the third card is the High Priestess. So it's trying to tell you that currently you may be experiencing things that I don't know if you all are following me on Instagram, but on Instagram itself I told you all that you all are going through a rebirth. So there may be a lot of challenges. So right now you all are going through a lot of challenges, but these are the final tests. You have to go through this to reach on the other side. Like just before you leave school, like you'll have like a board exam. That is exactly like the situation you all are in right now. But the best part is that the angels are coming to help you in this. In your exams you couldn't take help, that's called cheating, but here you have your angels with you on this journey and they're helping you. If you want any help with anything, make sure you connect with the angels. If you want protection, ask Archangel Michael. If you want healing, then ask Archangel Raphael. If you want healing in love, then ask Archangel Samuel. There are different angels for different things, and if you need any help with this, you can message me or DM me, or you can even comment below and I can give you the angel that you should work with. But you can work with anything that calls you. Listen to your intuition, they will come to you. Sometimes you don't even need my help, but if you can't really choose who you want to work with, then you come to me, I will help you with that. But they are saying that help is nearby. It's just that right now you're having a lot of negative thoughts. These negative thoughts are your own limiting beliefs. They're creating the reality that you don't want to live in. And you, like, somewhere we tend to blame other people. Somewhere you are your own villain. You think so many bad things about yourself. You think of the worst case scenario every time, and every time you think of the worst case scenario, the worst case scenarios appear in front of you. Every time you think that something will go wrong, every time you think that now this won't happen, and that is what you are calling in right now. I mean, like, there are some people who maybe not equipped with manifesting, but sometimes their fears are so strong that it manifests, because universe doesn't understand what is negative and what is positive. It just picks up the strong emotions, and your strongest emotion most of the time are the negative emotions. I'm sorry to call you out, like, I'm not trying to tell you that you're constantly thinking negative, but there are times that you all are not correcting yourselves. You all are not looking that there is help. You all are not looking at the silver lining. You are not looking why exactly the situation is happening. There is always a bigger picture, but you all are not seeing past your illusions. You all are not seeing past these negative experiences. What has happened in the past won't happen again. There is only if it, I mean, there are chances of it happening again, but only to heal. If you've healed it in the past, it won't happen again. Let me rephrase it. If it has been healed in the past, it won't happen again. So you don't have to be scared. Like, every time you are coming into this energy that something wrong is going to happen, something wrong will happen. So that is why I'm here to tell you that angels are here to tell you, not even me. I'm going to say angels are here to tell you, don't worry. Stop worrying, stop stressing, stop thinking of the worst case scenario. Try different things this time and try to trust. Even the Knight of Gabriel is showing that right now you all may be scared to take any action. There was Mercury retrograde few days back, so I understand from where you all are coming and why is this coming up. But that doesn't mean you all don't take action. If there is something calling you, go for it. If there is a route you want to go towards it. Go after your dreams, chase that thing. Your angels are with you. This horse is representing the angel. You don't really see the angel, you don't really end up seeing angels. These angels are not visible to eyes, but the animal that they're showing, your spirit animal currently may be an horse. So if you end up seeing a horse like on the road, or if you end up seeing on TV or something, that is a sign from the angels trying to tell you that I have your back. I am with you. I am on this journey with you and I will get what you want. Just need to believe in me. Ask and you shall receive. I think even in the past I have put this up and I told, ask and you will receive. The mistake that we do is that we don't ask. Maybe we do. Sometimes when we are praying, we always ask, but ask the specific angels. Now, see, if you're working with angels, you need to ask the specific angels for specific healing or specific blessings. So, ask for that specific thing, or be more specific also. They're trying to say, be more specific. Don't be like, I want the world. What you want exactly, tell that. Don't say, I want the world. What is the world for you? What could be the world for other people? We don't really know. So that's what I'm trying to say. Don't just throw the ball just without aiming. Aim into the basket. If you want something, aim into the basket. Say that thing that you want. Say it out loud to the angels that I want this to happen. Or instead of using I want this, say it in present tense that it's already happened. I believe that you have already done this for me. Thank you, universe, for resolving this for me. Okay, so one more thing. If you want if you want to claim this energy, you can even put this affirmation in the comment section, which is, thank you, universe, for helping me resolve this issue. That can be the thing that will help you resolve it as well, because you are in gratitude right now. You are sending the energy. Now I told you, right, just now I told you that if you're having a negative emotion and it's so strong, that will happen. So have a strong gratitude. Like when you wake up in the morning also, you can do gratitude list, or right now when just after watching this video, make sure you comment it in the comment section, so that you feel like universe has helped you with this, so that you give gratitude to the universe, so that universe can send you the help that you need. The next card that I got is the High Priestess. So it's telling me that you have powerful psychic abilities. Not everybody is using it. It's okay. Sometimes you don't need to use it. I understand you want to be in a certain way, be a certain way, but you have it. I'm just here to tell you, everybody has it within us. We all have. What I am doing right now, even you might have the same gift, but you might be like specialize in something else. Like everybody will be unique in their own way. So use your psychic gifts and go into meditation. It's also saying go into meditation, because meditation will make those gifts stronger. If you want to, if you want to make it stronger, go into meditation. Or if you want any help to, even like if you don't know to meditate, come to me. I also help with guided meditation, so I can help you tap into your psychic gifts. If you don't want to be psychic, I understand, but you know, when you meditate, you start getting even calmer. Things come easier to you. You start to manifest faster. You are in the present. You learn how to be in the present. There are times that I don't even meditate. Why I don't meditate? Because my whole day is a meditation. I am in the present the whole time. I am not focusing what happened in the past, what happened yesterday, what will happen tomorrow. I am so focused in the present, and that happened because I continuously meditated in the past. So you should also meditate. If you can't do it every day, I understand if you can't do it every day, but make sure you do it twice a week. If you can do something you love twice a week, if you end up drinking twice a week, if you end up meeting your friends, if you do something like that twice a week, a meditation 10 minutes sitting in stillness won't be difficult for you. I mean, if it is, then come to me. Let me see if anything else the cards need to tell you. The help is given to you. Angels are ready to connect and help you on this journey, but you need to ask for this help. Like I am not, when I'm telling you all these things to come to me for meditation, again, I am not pulling you by the hair and telling you come to me. You choose if you want it. It is up to you if you want to improve your life. It is up to you if you want to be in the present. It is up to you to attract things you want. It is up to you to manifest. I have nothing to do with your life. It is up to you if you want to change your life, if you want to be the creator of your own life. So the next card that I got is the Moon and Perspective. So the Moon is trying to say that there are going to be opportunities that are going to come to you. You need to listen to your intuition if you need to go after it or no. If something is feeling off, don't go for it. Sometimes the guides are also helping you with your intuition. like through your intuition, not with your intuition, through your intuition. Your angels are helping through your intuition. They will tell you if something is really calling you, they will tell you go for it. You will keep seeing signs in front of you. One of the signs could even be a dog, because I can see a dog here. So maybe a white dog will be one of the signs. If you need to, or play with the universe, tell universe, if you want me to go after this certain thing, make sure you show me a white dog or a white snake or a pink dragon. Like, ask for things that which are unusual, so that you know that this is a sign and you're not like doubting the sign. So ask for something very unusual with the universe. Try to see, universe is here to help. So you try to like try to use this help, try to use this assistance. So also it's saying to face your fears. Somewhere you have been sitting and waiting for things to improve on its own, and you're not trying those new things, you're not getting out of your comfort zone, you're not doing things out of your usual. You're doing that same routine every day. The same routine every day won't help you see new possibilities. You need to try new things to see new possibilities entering your life. If you want something new in your life, you need to act like that new self. If you want to attract things in your life, make sure you're seeing things from a different perspective. Everything depends on the mindset. Everything. If you really need something to change, it always depends on the internal world. If you're following me on Instagram, I literally told you about this in a Mercury retrograde video. Everything depends on the internal world. Your external world is just illusions. That's why it's saying perspective. Change the way you see the world, change the way you appear, change the way, like, I'm not saying you're doing something wrong every time, but if there is something wrong, something not working out in your life, maybe you have to change the way you look at things. You need to reduce those limiting beliefs. When you have been growing up, you've been collecting all the beliefs, your family's beliefs, your peers' beliefs, your colleagues' beliefs, like everyone's beliefs. You took it on you and you said, these are my beliefs. Now create your own beliefs. That is what I'm trying to say. Once you create your own beliefs is when you will start seeing new things appearing into your life. There's a better way. That's what the card is saying. There is a better way of life. There is a better way out there, out of this. So whatever challenges, whatever fears, whatever things you're experiencing, there is a better way. Try to look at things from a different angle. And if you can't do it, take help from someone else. Take help from me, take help from any other tarot reader, take help from a therapist. Do your thing. Do what calls you. But make sure you're taking a little help. Why am I saying this? Take help from your guides also. God also is helping you. If you want help with perspective and all, even God can help you. But again, I'm trying to say, don't sit on these fears. Don't just expect things to come to you. It won't just come to you. There is something inside which has been holding you back. Let go of that belief and it will come to you. Dare to be different also is something I seen over here. Dare to be different. This is going to be the name of my video, because I feel that y'all have the ability to be different. Everybody is unique here. If we had to be the same, we would be in the same body. All of us would have one only body, one only soul. But we come here with a different purpose. So make sure you are using your gifts for the best.